What's going on? YouTube Metal Complex here, and today I have an extra super special unboxing to do with you guys. You say that all the time, Complex. What's so special about this time? Well, this is what's different. This time, it is inside this box is something that I ordered for me, which is not something that happens a lot. It happens every now and then, but you guys know that like 99% of the stuff that I unbox gets sent by viewers, or it gets sent by a dealer or a manufacturer, and it's stuff I gotta send back, or it's stuff from Jeff, or it's stuff from Spirited, or Shaker, or Kyle, or a whole bunch of different people. So that's fun, but you guys know the joy of like ordering something, and it kind of, you wait for it, and you constantly check the tracking, and you freak out, and you reschedule your lunch break, so you can intercept it. So yeah, that's what I've been dealing with. And so what's in here is actually multiple. There's also a whole bunch of promo stuff because of the amount that it was, and it came from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. We'll get to it. Before I do that, I want to give a special shout out. So I have a patron named Frankie and his son Frankie Jr. And on my last live stream, which actually never got fully uploaded because of a processing error on YouTube's end, there was a mention in the comments that it was his son's birthday. He turned 9, and I was like, oh, happy birthday. And then it never got uploaded, and he tried to show his son that, and it just didn't happen. So Frankie Jr., happy birthday, man. Absolutely. I just wanted to say that I'm so pumped that you watch my channel. That's really, really cool. I'm gonna send you a few stickers here. These are my Metal Knight helmet stickers, ones that are generally just exclusive to patrons, but I'm gonna send you a few for your birthday. Absolutely. Happy birthday, man. That's really cool. Thanks for watching my channel. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this box here. As usual, if you'd like your own Rainbow Lady of the Sea, or super duper cool Wiha bit selector, or Wiha magnetic driver, or really awesome budget knife, or really cool high-end kind of expensive knife, whatever your itch is, if you want to experience the same joy that I am about to experience unboxing this box for myself, whether your itch is one that is inexpensive or very expensive, I have links for a whole bunch of things down there that you can use to scratch that itch this holiday season. Or you can help scratch the itch for a loved one, whether you're looking for a stocking stuffer or whatever. Okay, get on with it. Open the box. How do I approach this? Should I do this in a tactical manner, or should I just carve into it? You guys know the Rainbow Lady of the Sea does not need to be sharpened ever or cleaned. CPM rainbow steel. Very, ever sharp. God, I'm gonna hurt myself. Or I'm gonna put another hole in my backdrop here. Or I'm gonna cut into the contents of that. I'm muscling this open off camera so that you guys don't have to sit there and watch me fight that. But the Rainbow Lady of the Sea is still awesome. I'll put her right here. You can get her in blue too. Good God. Okay, wow, there's a whole bunch of promo stuff in here. What is this? Okay, some of the things fell out. Okay, hang on. So we have this, which I'm going to carefully place. Oh, I already kind of ruined it. Okay, so there's one thing. This, which I'm going to set off to the side. I got, oh boy. There we go. I live in Kansas, so perfect. Hang on here. More stuff. A really cool, there's another thing right there, and a whole bunch of other promo stuff. I like Smoky Mountain Knife Works, so we'll put their sticker in there. If you guys haven't shopped there before, take a look. They do some cool exclusive stuff. More promo stuff. Put that right there. And leave that sticker out there. I didn't get anything from it. This was literally just me, like, doing what I normally do, doing what a lot of you guys do, and just sort of browsing on the internet, and I came across something, and it was an impulse buy. That's what it was. Absolutely. Okay, we're through it. Here is the last thing that sort of fell apart, and I was trying to find the box for it. So, a whole bunch of promo stuff here. First off, this little Rough Rider. I was only recently introduced to Rough Rider knives by Pocket Tank, who got my wife's son. Okay, that's kind of cool. It's just a freaking super straightforward little stainless steel lockback. Okay, hey, that's fine. Those make great you know, little truck knives or vehicle knives. Looks like what we've got here is a SOG multi-tool. I do not, it's called the Reactor. So there you go. This is all promo stuff that I got with my order. I don't know anything about that. We will take a look at it on the channel. So that's kind of neat. And then the last promo item here was the Kershaw Tension. So that's cool. I like Kershaw. It's going to be one of their China models. That's cool. We will definitely take a look at that one as well. Okay, let me move this stuff and get on to the meat and potatoes of this. Now, I realize because of the length of this video, probably a lot of people dropped off, and I'll tell you what, they're missing out, because what you're about to see is going to be pretty epic. And I know there's a lot of crazy stuff that I've shown on this channel, but this is going to be up there. Absolutely. So, here's the main thing. Here's the main guy. You guys, if you've been watching for a while, I say that a lot. If you've been watching for a while, you'll know that I used to own a Microtech OTF, and I mention it a lot. I say, man, I miss that thing. I miss that thing. It was so cool. Mine was dated May of 2014, which was about 2.5 years before I started the channel, I think. What was it, late? And it was like early, no, it was like mid 2018. So no, it was like 3.5 years or 4 years. I ended up selling that knife and using the money to buy one of my Hinders. I think it might have actually been one of my first Hinders, if not my first Hinder. But in any case, I have kind of regretted selling that thing ever since. And I'll tell you, ever since I unboxed this guy and have been playing with it, I've realized how much I miss having, just exactly how much I miss having an awesome OTF. So I started to look and came across something that I think you guys are really going to enjoy. Something that I'll just go ahead and say is probably severely overpriced. But I just had to have it. So this is a Microtech Combat Troodon. You can see here there are a couple of elements that are a little bit different here. You can see that there is a signature back here. It says February of 2019. So this is a one of the newest runs. This is a signature series, but here's the special thing about it. Oh God. You guys have to understand, this is the first time I'm seeing this. This is the Hellhound blade. Tumbled and in, I don't know if it's actually going to say the steel on the blade, but it will on the box. Or maybe it won't. So the steel is CTS 204P or M390 or 20CV. That's awesome. My original one was in, well, I think it was LMAX. My original one was in LMAX. And that's great, but I love the 204P and the M390 stuff. It makes me feel good about the ridiculous amount of money that I had to pay for this knife. We'll talk about that in the review. My old one was satin, and this one has the tumbled finish, kind of a satin flat. Just looks incredible. Marfione logo there instead of the claw because of the signature series. This is, in my opinion, the coolest OTF on the market. I thought about doing this in an Ultratech. It would have cost me a lot more money, but I really wanted that Hellhound blade, and I thought, no, you know, I'm not going to be happy until I get a true Combat Troodon back. For those of you who don't know, the Troodon is the little one. The Combat Troodon is the big one. And man, this guy just kicks. Goodness, that is absolutely wonderful. So guys, I hope that you were entertained by this unboxing. I'm shaking with excitement right now. I can't wait to just go play with this thing. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please leave a like. Remember, there are links in the description for some cool stuff. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.